in our groups. Okay, so welcome to a big welcome, and all the best to you. Take a lot of interest. Whatever the teachings are, we should try to implement it day on day, and that's what will bring us progress. And definitely, we heard today in two good speakers in the master class, which was very, very motivating and very good. And these are examples of people that they are growing in the digital world, and we can also do it. And learning is a constant process in life. So I would like to tell you that the first thing is you have to build self-belief in yourself that I can do it. The mental block, we are offline leaders, the mental block that we cannot do it, it is difficult. Though we don't have to think it is difficult. Learning new things, we have to throw all negativity and learn new things. Then only we have an open mind. Then only we'll be able to learn and implement new things. The initiative to change your belief, to bring in this new system and the new initiatives for learning digital will come only when you delete your old beliefs, right? Our business is so powerful, Oriflame business, that with digital, we can make wonders, okay? Knowing what really matters to you, that is in Japanese mode, there is self-belief. It's called Kaizen mode. This is like means continuous development. Until our last day, continuous development, we have to learn new things, and then we will be successful. So small targets, steady progress day by day will definitely, some hours of work in digital, definitely you have to devote at least 3 to 4 hours for digital, and then you will see the progress with a lot of planning, and progress should definitely be there, okay? So you have to invest in terms of time to learn digital and to implement it. That is the thing, okay? And list down all the positives in your life, whatever you are doing, you know. So and keep telling to yourself every day, yes, I will do it. Yes, I will do it. So that belief already, which you have built, will definitely take you a long way in the long run, okay? So I would like to say knowledge and more knowledge is what we require now in digital. Yeah. All the best. Today is our first class, and I look forward to many, many more classes like this. And my dream is that from my team, many of us will emerge as outstanding leaders in Oriflame world. All the best. Jenny, over to you.
Thank you so much, Kalpana, for really giving us a beautiful opening, thing for a new club now. And you see, as already Kalpana Yeldange, I think it will be better if I speak mix of Kannada and English, because I know a lot of Kannada audience also will be here. So, ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ದು ಈ ಹೊಸ ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟಿವ್, ಸೊ ಈ ಗ್ಯಾಲಕ್ಸಿ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಈ ಹೊಸ ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ನಾವ್ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, it is very important that we start implementing digital. So by choice, already tumba jana already initiatives now start madidare. We have few leaders who are doing digital related activities ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮೇಬಿ ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಪೇಜಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆಡ್ಸ್ ರನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರದೇ ಓನ್ ಟೆಂಪ್ಲೇಟ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ವಿತ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸಾಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So namge as a team we have to really evolve into this new thing, okay? And today we are into the digital era, and idnalli ನಾವು step ಮಾಡಲೇ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. So ನಮ್ಗೆ ನಾವು as well as leaders and ನಮ್ಮ ಟೀಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ನಾವು ಈ ಹೊಸ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಇರಾನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ, ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿ ನಮ್ದು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. And like our company ಇಂದ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿರ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ, few people must already be knowing about our Speed is the New Oriflame Club. So ಈ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ನಾವು ಕೂಡ ಅದೇ ತರಾನೇ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರೋ ತರ ಇದೀವಿ. Every Saturday we will have a training, and by end of the training ನಮ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಟಾಸ್ಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, and for sure it is going to be a very, very simple task, and it will definitely be a task that is related to digital. So for few people who are already doing it easily, it will be very easy for you all to do the task. So then you all will be able to help your team members. Okay, but yaar neevu initial agi starting stage nalli ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, you have a week's time to complete your task and you can be part of this digital team of Galaxy of Stars. Okay, so ಆ ನೋಟ್ ಇಂದ ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ನಾನು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವ್ ಏನ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ, today we will start about the benefits of using Facebook for our business. So ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ದು ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೂಲ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಅದ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಅಂತ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್. ಸೊ ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ತರ ನಮ್ದು ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ, ಆಸ್ ಆರಿಫ್ಲೇಮ್ ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ನ ಯಾವ ತರ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ನಲ್ಲಿ overcrossed United States and ivaga we have 241 million active users. So offline nalli kuda namge bekagirodu new prospects and same ನಾವು online ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೂ effective ಆಗಿ ನಾವು definite ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. So we are looking for new people who can join our Oriflame family, new people who can join into our network and start working with us to develop our network and to develop and fulfill their dreams. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಜನ ಅಂಡ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಾರೆ? ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮಿಲಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮಿಲಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಯೂಸರ್ಸ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ಏನಂತ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಲ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೀಪಲ್. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೌಸ್ ವೈಫ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಹುಡುಕ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಹೋಮ್ ಮೇಕರ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾರೆ, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನಲ್ ಪೀಪಲ್, ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋರು ಸಿಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಯಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹೂ ಆರ್ ರಿಟೈರ್ಡ್, ಆಲ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಇನ್ ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರು ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ದೆಮ್ ಈಸಿಲಿ and prospect, interact with them and also give them the opportunity that we have in our hand, that is the Oriflame business opportunity. So Facebook ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ 4 important tools ಮೂಲಕ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ನಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಟೂಲ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ದಂತ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ನಾವು ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇಜ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಎಸ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಅಂಡ್ ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಆಡ್ಸ್ ರನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಇದು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ 4 ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನಾವು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಲಾರ್ಜರ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ 4 ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ಯಾವ ತರ ನಾವು ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂಡ್ ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಪೇಜ್ ನ ಯಾವ ತರ ನಾವು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನೀವು ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಪೇಜ್ ನ ನೀವು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ಹೆಡ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ನಡೀತಾ ಇರೋ ಶಫೀರ್ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ. ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡನಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಬಗ್ಡ್ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್. But we have lot of new people who are planning to try, who are taking up initiative, who wants to attend and learn something. So ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ encourage ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ we have to definitely start from the basics. Okay, so basics is our Facebook profile. ಸೊ ನಮ್ದು ರೆಕಮೆಂಡೇಶನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಹತ್ರ ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ದು ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಅ ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನ ಆರಿಫ್ಲೇಮ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನ ಹತ್ರ ನಿಮ್ದು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಡೇಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ತುಂಬಾ ದಿನದಿಂದಾನೇ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಇಂಟರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ವಿತ್ ಪೀಪಲ್, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನೀವು ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ನ ನೀವು ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ. ಅಂಡ್ ಈ ವೆಬಿನಾರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಇನ್ನು ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ request that you all have to create a Facebook profile. So if you don't have a Facebook profile, how will you be able to do business digitally, right? So Facebook profile na ನಾವು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲೇಬೇಕಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ನ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನಾವು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ನಾವು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಟು ಸೆಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಅ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಬಲ್ ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆನ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ದು ಪ್ರೆಸೆನ್ಸ್ ನ ನಾವಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ನಮ್ದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಹತ್ರ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಹತ್ರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಸರ್ಟನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನಮ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ನಾವು ಈ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಓನ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಓನ್ ಫೋಟೋನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. because of different reasons. Okay, so different reasons, like they don't want to show their face to others, they don't want to know that it is my account. Solpa jana nodidre maybe ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ because of fear or because of they feel that it might get misused, so ನಾನು ಹಾಕೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನ without knowledge, okay ನಾನು Facebook account create ಮಾಡಿರೋದು to promote Oriflame products, so I will put some product pictures ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ದು ಫೋನ್ ಫೋಟೋನ ನೀವು ಹಾಕೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ then it doesn't gives more credibility to you. So Oriflame catalog in the photos, Oriflame product photos, illa motivational slides, illa sometimes devrad picture hakonirtare, sometimes nodidre flowers aa tarana sceneries na hakonirtare. So aa tara nimdu Facebook profile picture idre remove that and put your own photo. Okay, so ivaga ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ನ ನೀವು ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಗುಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಓನ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ದೇ ಫೋಟೋ ನೀವು ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಏನ್ ನೀವು ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ ನೀಡ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಅ ಹೈ ರೆಸಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಫೋಟೋ. ಹೈ ರೆಸಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಫೋಟೋ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಇರೋ ಫೋಟೋ, ಪಿಕ್ಸಿಲೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು, ಬ್ಲರ್ ಆಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ನೀವು ತಗೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಫೋಟೋ ಇಂದ ನೀವು ಕ್ರಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಜನ ಕ್ರಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ಕ್ರಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು ಅದು ಪಿಕ್ಸಿಲೇಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದಟ್ ಫೋಟೋ. ಕ್ರಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮ್ದು ಫೋಟೋ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಹತ್ರ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಫೋನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ರೆಡಿ ಒನ್ ಡೇ ಅಂಡ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಅ ನ್ಯೂ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್, ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇರೋ ಫೋಟೋನ ನೀವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಪ್ರಿಫರಬಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ನ ನೀವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಯೋರ್ ಕವರ್ ಇಮೇಜ್. ಕವರ್ ಫೋಟೋ ಬಂದು ನಮ್ದು ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸೈಜ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕವರ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಫ್ಯೂ ಪೀಪಲ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ನಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಫೋಟೋನ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ಪಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದ ರೀಸನ್ ವೈ ವಿ ಸೇ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಪುಟ್ ಅ ಬಿಗ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಇಸ್, ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಇನ್ನು ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವೆನ್ ದೇ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸಿ ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ಜೆನಿ. But if I'm putting a profile picture with a group of 10 ladies there, how will they understand who is Jenny in that? Okay, so maybe it can be your single photo or it can be a photo with 2 or 3 people, maybe your family photo. Okay, so neevidira husband idare and 2 kids or 1 kid, so people can understand, okay, that lady who's standing there is Jenny, right? But ade ondu 10 people, 15 people, 5 people, 6 people jote ನಾವು ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ಫೋಟೋ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ it is difficult to identify the main profile owner of that account. So always use a single or a small group picture. And then when it comes to your cover photo, in your cover photo you can put any of your pictures, like ನೀವು travel ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋ photos ಹಾಕ್ಬಹುದು, ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಜೊತೆ ಇರೋ photos ನ ಹಾಕ್ಬಹುದು, ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ Oriflame photos, ನಿಮ್ದು Oriflame recognition, ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ದು Oriflame ಟೀಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ನೀವು ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಟೀಮ್ ಜೊತೆ ಕಾನ್ಫರೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಹೋಗಿರೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್, ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪುಟ್ ಇನ್ ಯೋರ್ ಕವರ್ ಫೋಟೋ. ಕವರ್ ಫೋಟೋ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ದಟ್ ಓಕೆ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಂತ. ನೋ, your Facebook profile is your personal account. It is a personal thing. You can definitely put your family photos also, but always make sure it is again a good high quality photo. Ella check ಮಾಡಿ, background ನಲ್ಲಿ things ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ಯಾ, sides ನಲ್ಲಿ quality ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ಯಾ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದಾರಾ, those things you will have to really check. So maybe sometimes the photo, the people standing in the photo will be really nice, but something must be bad in the background may be dirty ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಕ್ಲೋತ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗಿಂಗ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಅದನ್ನ ಮೈಂಡ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು then put your profile pic. You can put even your business related pic also if you don't have a problem. And then your third point is your profile name. So name ಬಂದು please do not use Oriflame, Ori ಆ ತರ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಾವು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಬಟ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಪೇಜಸ್ ನ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ Oriflame ಬಂದು ಅದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗುಡ್, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ it is nothing relating to Oriflame, it is your personal profile. Okay, so do not use any kind of Ori or Oriflame in this. And then if you see and also use your real name, also use your original name. Few people, they even open an account in their nicknames. Okay, so nicknames is fine, but still it looks more nice and more presentable when you have your real full name on it. So for profile name, always use your nickname. sorry, your original name. And the next point is, in your profile we also have something called as your nickname. So ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ದೆ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ನಿಕ್ನೇಮ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಹಾಕೋಬಹುದು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಏನ್ನ ಶೋಕೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, that is your personal brand. So you are planning to utilize this profile for your business as well, right? So if you are doing it, and if you feel that I don't want to have any of my personal related things here, I'm going to create a separate profile, you can do so, and you keep it separately for Oriflame. But otherwise it's absolutely fine if you have to have one account for both. It's not an issue at all. You can definitely use your same profile partially for business as well as more of your personal things. So when it comes to your nickname here, you can use your personal brand, like a beauty consultant, or if you are looking for talking something about, if you want to promote more of wellness into your network. So if you are a person who's a fitness freak, you can put a fitness ambassador, or a wellness guide, or a wellness coach, or a beauty expert, makeup expert, lifestyle expert. So nimdu brand enide, so what you want to promote through your digital, adanna neevu nickname agi neevu use madkobodu. And then comes your username. So username is, it sets a unique username from Oriflame side, from Facebook side, and you can create that as a link, and you can use it in your username, where it's a shortcut to search you. And then we also have a intro. So intro portion na nodidre, lot of people don't fill their intro at all. So lot of people just one word enadru irutte, hi anta irutte, atara irutte. So something that you'll have to update is update your intro. So in your intro you can give a brief about yourself, and if you have the same account for your business, of course you can add few things about your business as well. And do not mention your association in your intro with Oriflame, because here you are not introducing Oriflame to anyone. As we said, this is a personal profile, so keep it personal. Talk about yourself, nim ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಮಾತಾಡಬಹುದು. So in your profile pic, in your Facebook profile, these are the things that you need to complete. Also you have your about section. About section ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ಕೂಡ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಜನ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ maybe their date of birth, ಯಾವ ಸಿಟಿ ಅವ್ರ ನೇಟಿವ್ ಇದೆ, ಯಾವ ಸಿಟಿ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಓದಿರೋ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ದು, ಕಾಲೇಜ್ದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ 4 to 5 things you can fill. You know why? Because ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ your credibility increases with Facebook, as well as audience ge kuda adanna ನೋಡಿದಾಗ they feel more connected, they feel this account is more genuine. So let me give an example of 2 accounts. So I have an account, so I've seen an ad of some person, and I'm going into that person's account to check the person's profile. So I see one photo of that person, a name of that person, and bere enu illa. Nange ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ, ನಾನು ಒಂದು another person's account ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, and I can find lot of these details. Okay, I can see, okay, Kalpana Malya, okay, she is from Bangalore, she's gone to this university, she's associated with this company, and she's been part of these clubs, and lot of information write up about her, some nice pictures about her with the group and things. So whose credibility will I believe in? I will definitely go to an account that has more information and which looks more genuine, right? So these things about section nalli nimdu things ನೀವು add ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ it gives more credibility to you, and it also builds a trust for the person who's looking into your profile, as well as Facebook side inda kuda namge easy agi namge authorization siಗುತ್ತೆ. So this is one thing that you need to keep in mind. So whenever you create your Facebook profile, so your Facebook account should have these details. Idu yaryar hatra innu complete agilla, I would request that you all have to do this. So this will take maximum 10 to 15 minutes time. Believe me, it will not take more than that. Already you'll have a Facebook account, your profile. Just make the changes. Intro session, intro ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ add a intro to it. ನಿಮ್ದು nickname na add ಮಾಡಿ, profile name short ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ update your profile name. Cover photo, if you feel okay this is not apt, ಇದು ತುಂಬಾ low resolution ಇದೆ, ನೋಡಕ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ. Oriflame ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರೆ Oriflame ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ಹಾಕಿ. ಅಬೌಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, Yes, if you are a business consultant, okay, let me look at few questions so that next we can go to the Facebook page. Yes, am I audible to everyone? Few people have messaged me saying that my voice is too low. If you all feel my voice is too low, can you all message me? It's too low, is it? Okay, so it's clear. Fine. So Banu, Diksha, then you need to increase your volume a little more. So Amrita, if you want to create a separate profile for your business, you can do so. As I already mentioned, it's completely your choice. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ನೀವು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಟು ನೋ, ಆರ್ ಯು ಫೀಲ್ ಓಕೆ ಲೆಟ್ ಮೀ ಕೀಪ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ಲಿ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ದಟ್, ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಬಟ್ in the same way, don't go to create many profiles. Then it becomes like duplicating the same person into different accounts, and Facebook will block you, or you will get some kind of warning. So maximum 2, one for yourself for personal, maybe one for your business. So don't create more. Yes, you can add Anusha, you can add business consultant in Oriflame for sure. You can do that. Okay, so I don't have any more questions. So now, just for an example, I will just show you all few accounts. Okay, so these are the examples of few accounts that has come from our office, and I would request not to annotate on the screen. It doesn't look nice. So please remove that annotation. So example, nanu just explain martini. So illi neevu nodidre, so we have a leader, and so this is the profile picture. So profile picture engide ibrdu. Preferably plain background will always make your profile pic look very nice. If you have a plain background nalli nim pictures channa kanutte. And in the same way, plain background anta dark backgrounds nalli togobedi. Dark backgrounds nalli your photo doesn't look nice. It has to be a lighter shade of a pastel color background, and you in the front will look nice. And profile picture, always make sure you are well groomed. It is very, very important. And this is the nickname I was talking about. So ilta ide alva, your something relating to your brand ನೀವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದಂತ. So here if you see, this leader is used momtrepreneur and digital leader ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. And if you look at Preeti's account, here she's not used any kind of nickname here, so she's left it blank. And here you have an example with the nickname. And then if you look at your intro section, so if you look at this intro, she's put, Leela has put, I want to help 1,000 women earn a professional income from home with digital support. So she says, I'm here to support digitally. I'm looking for 1,000 women who wants professional income. And here if you look at Preeti, she has a different kind of intro. She says, I'm a mother 24/7. So it impresses all the young mothers. So that is like eye-catching thing. And she says, at other times I'm an entrepreneur, beauty consultant, shopaholic, love to travel the world, and very, very ambitious. So out of just words mulka, she's trying to explain her entire details. So she says, I'm a business person, I'm a beauty consultant. So love to shop andre, the same way you should be ready to earn. Otherwise you can't be a shopaholic when you have limited income. Love to travel and ambitious. And this is the about section. If you look at my cursor here, I think you all can see my cursor, right? This is the about section. So completing your details. So studied at so and so university, went to so and so college, lives in so and so place. I'm a business coach with my club ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ನೀವು ಹಾಕೋಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಇವ್ರನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ I'm a director in Oriflame, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, which is my native, and where do I live in. So these things are your about section. So these things you need to fill. And as I told you all, cover picture, it can be personal, it can be professional, it can be with your team. So here they've put, achievement of their dream car. So wife and husband, buying a new car together with their income and talking proudly about their new car. And here you have a personal family occasion of this person celebrating something to do with her family. So eye quality. Now note that kuda well groomed and eye quality pictures. So idu namge important. Okay, so if you all have any questions about Facebook profile, please ask me. So that next we can go to, we can go to the Facebook page creation. Okay, so I'm not getting any questions. So let me go to the next topic. So as I told you all already, update your Facebook profile. Updating your Facebook profile is a must. It's not even a task. In fact, even for your personal things also, you need to update it. So keep it updated. So now what we will do is we will see what people like to do and what people don't like to do in social media. So one thing ನೀವೇನು understand ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ, people are not coming to buy anything in social media. Lot of people misunderstand that. Lot of people think it is a selling, platform. If they want to buy something, they will go to Amazon, they will go to Flipkart, or they will go to direct retail shops. They will not come to Facebook. Facebook is a place where people come to interact. So ಅವರು ಇಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬಂದಾಗ, ಅವರು ಎಂಗೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬಂದಾಗ, they randomly see some ads and they get attracted, or they randomly see something that as pulls their attention, or attracts them in some way with the content or with the photo or with the text, and then they look into it and then they contact us. So here we cannot sell things like, if you want milk and honey sugar scrub, contact me. Why will they contact you, right? So it is not nice also. It is not professional. So don't try to sell things or push people. People don't like it. And don't bombard them with advertisements and spams. And also you need to be very, very genuine with whatever you are doing on social media. So once they lose trust on you, then it's very, very difficult for you to build that trust again with people. So you need to be genuine. You need to be real on social media. What people like is they like to look at something new. ಸೊ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ಯಾ ಆ ತರ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇಂಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾನಲ್ಲಿ ದೇ ಲವ್ ಟು ಸಿ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್, ಅಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ವೈ ವಿ ಸೇ our ads as well as our posts should have lot of pictures, less of text. And people like to get motivated here, people like to get inspired, and that is why they come. And today's generation, if you look at Facebook is totally different from what it was and what it is now. Today you see you have many people making motivational videos, many bloggers idare ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮೋಟಿವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ, ಲೈಫ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮೋಟಿವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ, ಮೇ ಬಿ ಇವನ್ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪೇರಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್, ವಿಚ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಇಸ್ ಬೆಟರ್, ವಿಚ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಬೆಟರ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಗೋ ಟು ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್, ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್, and then people come to interact, basically to get in touch with their friends, basically to interact with their people and to see what is happening in their friends life by looking at the pictures, looking at celebrations that they've happened. So adakke Facebook ke bartare. So here, as I already told you all, people don't come to buy any kind of products or seek information or consultation on their job. So it is just that indirectly we attract them. And the second tool that we have in our Facebook is our Facebook page. So 4 ways nalli ನಾವು prospecting ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು: Facebook profile, Facebook page, and then our advertisements and groups. So today we will again see about Facebook page. So Facebook page ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೆ certain rules ಇದೆ. So Facebook page ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ it will take not even 2 minutes for you to create your Facebook page. Facebook page na ನೀವು just ಹೋಗಿ ನೀವು immediate ಆಗಿ create a page ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟು entrepreneur ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ your Facebook page will be created. But filling the about section in the Facebook page is very, very important. That will take some time because you need to put the correct things and keep it in an organized way. So completing your about section is important. And Facebook page na ನೀವು create ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ posting regular content. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಪೇಜ್ ನ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಇರೋಲ್ಲ. ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಇನ್ವೈಟ್ ಪೀಪಲ್. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಜನ ನಮ್ ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಪೇಜ್ ನ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ನಮ್ದು ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ನ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಆವಾಗನೇ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬಂದು ಲೀಡ್ಸ್ ಬಂದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಟುಡೇ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಟು ಮಚ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್, ಬಟ್ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಇನ್ ದ ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಪೇಜ್. ಸೊ ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಪೇಜ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಗೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಪುಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ನೇಮ್, ಪೇಜ್ ನೇಮ್. So even in this, we request that, you all shouldn't use, Oriflame or Ori or anything like that. I see many people, even after attending the trainings, they will tell me, ma'am, can you please check if my page is correct? Our page, the link kalstagane al Facebook irutte. So you have to repeatedly tell them why you have put Facebook in your page name. So we keep telling in the trainings, right? So do not use any kind of Oriflame or Ori on your Facebook page name, because people are not getting attracted to Oriflame. People are going to get attracted to your brand and neevali in content post ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅದನ್ನ. And maybe high chances is that lot of people will not like your page because you've put Oriflame. So don't put Oriflame in your Facebook page. And next one is, if you see, your name. So Facebook nalli kuda namge namdu real name na hakbeku, ad jote nalli namdu brand na nav hakbeku. So Facebook page is mostly for your business. Facebook page is not for your personal use. Nam personal ge namge enide, we have our profile, alli ನಾವು ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಬಟ್ ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಪೇಜ್ ನ ನಾವು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is with a intention of growing our business. So here your brand is important. So brand anta heldaga yenna neevu promote madak ishta padta idira. So is it, as I already told you, are you going to talk about your lifestyle? Are you going to talk about income? Are you going to talk about do you want to attract mothers who are having young children, momtrepreneurs, or are you interested in creating lot of women entrepreneurs? ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆ ತರ ನಿಮ್ದು ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಏನ್ನ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ದು ಪೇಜ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಮೋಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಪೇಜ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಂಡ್ ಈವನ್ ಇನ್ ಯೋರ್ ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಪೇಜ್, ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಿಡ್ ಫೋಟೋ ಫಾರ್ ಯೋರ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್, ಹೈ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಇರೋದು and well groomed photo for your profile pic is very, very important. And then we also have a cover photo here also. Namdu profile nalli yav tara namge cover picture ide, illi kuda namge cover picture ide. Again here ನೀವು ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಪೇಜ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ I think it will be better if you can avoid your family pictures. So Facebook page nalli, here we've created this for our business, right? So illi maybe your recognition, maybe nim team jote, maybe anything relating to Oriflame, anything relating to a bigger picture of your brand is, good here. So anything relating to your business is good on your cover picture. Just make sure ee collage tara ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, avoid it. Or even if you're doing, you need to do it in a very attractive way, otherwise don't do it. Okay, so sometimes ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಹಾರಿಬಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಕೊಲಾಜ್ ತರ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಟ್ ಪೀಸಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಈವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಫೋಟೋನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಕೊಲಾಜ್ ತರ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಕವರ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಗಿ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಯೂಸ್ ಅ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ಶೋ. You can also use a video for your cover picture. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ, ನಿಮ್ ರೆಕಗ್ನಿಷನ್, ನಿಮ್ ಟೀಮ್, anything, you can use it as a cover picture for your Facebook page. And ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಕ್ ನೇಮ್ ಕೂಡ ಬೇಕಿದೆ to it works as a easy search engine. So attractive ಆಗು ಇರುತ್ತೆ, as well as ನಿಮ್ಗೆ easy search engine ಆಗಿ you can keep a nickname also for your Facebook page. And here you can also have a call to action button. Call to action button is call me or message me or mail me, ಆ ತರ how they can contact you ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ call to action button ನ ಕೂಡ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. And then just not having the Facebook page, at least minimum even as a newcomer, ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. Okay, at least monthly 4 posts, and then later after 1 month make it weekly 2 posts. And then minimum, if you're doing your business regularly and if you want to be a complete digital leader, a 4 posts in a week is needed to in your Facebook page. So now let me show you all few examples for your understanding. So when we show pictures and when we talk to you all, it is easy for understanding, right? So let me show you all some pictures here. So here we have a leader, a digital leader from Delhi. So if you look at our cover picture, so let's go one by one. Let me show you the different features. So the cover picture nodidre, does it looks nice? So do you all feel it's nice and attractive? Yes. Yenake, it's a high quality picture, well groomed picture, plain background picture. So background bandu light shade nallide, avrdu dress darker shade nallide, well groomed, talks about a good lifestyle. ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ದಾಗಾನೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬಂದು ಓಕೆ ಶಿ ಇಸ್ ಜೆನ್ಯೂನ್ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಗುಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ನೇಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಕವಲ್ಜೀತ್ ಬಸೇನ್ ಇಸ್ ಅವರ್ ನೇಮ್. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ನಿಮ್ದು ಫುಲ್ ನೇಮ್ ನ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ನೇಮ್. ಸೊ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಲ್ವಾ ಚಾಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ. This is your brand name. So she wants to talk about, she says that I am a business and a lifestyle coach. So business anta heldaga namge ivaga think, put yourself into this shoe. So think you don't know anything about Oriflame. Okay. So you are just a random person on Facebook who has seen a picture. So ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ business ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, or looking at this photo, looking at this Facebook page as an outsider who don't know anything about Oriflame, for me I will think, if I look at business and lifestyle, business ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ I can think something relating to money. Maybe if I join her or if I'm part of her of her page, I will get some ideas to make some money. And then when it talks about lifestyle coach, see, lifestyle, it is a simple word, but it has a lot of content. Okay. Lifestyle anta heldaga, it can be grooming lifestyle. It can be a high quality lifestyle. It can be traveling the world. It can be talking about luxury. So lifestyle anta heldaga, it covers a lot of things. So she is chosen business and lifestyle coach. So lifestyle coach andre namdu personality development inda, namdu financial status inda ella navu change ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಈ ಪೇಜ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ. This is the brand. So ivaga nimge, if you are a person who wants to promote lot of color cosmetics or lot of makeup in your page, of course you can give some names relating to makeup expert, grooming expert, atara trend expert. So atara, so you can talk about lot of trendy things. So atara nodidre we have lot of people ivaga nodidre young people are crazy about makeup. En ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ Facebook ನಲ್ಲಿ, Instagram ನಲ್ಲಿ, they always look something relating to makeup. So today you have so many tutorials about makeup alva. So if you are talking something about makeup, then put your name something relating to makeup. If you are talking something about business, income, attracting young mothers, then entrepreneur, momtopreneur, business entrepreneur, business coach, business guide, atara. So ade ನೀವು ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಕೇರ್ ನ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ನಂದು ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಕೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ put something in your brand relating to skin care, or maybe traveling the world, or maybe wellness related things. So you can put anything as your brand. We have people who have their brand name as Glow and Grow. So that also makes so much sense, right? When I talk about glow, what is glow? Glow talks about anything and everything relating to beauty. So nan glow anta heldaga, I can promote makeup, I can promote skincare, I can promote wellness, I can promote so many things in this glow. And when I talk about grow can cover so many things. Grow financially, grow, with financial independence, grow by traveling to different parts, grow by making lot of money, grow by to earn money and shop and have a luxury life. So atara anything short and sweet, an attractive brand, your personal brand na ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಬಹುದು. And then comes your nickname. You all remember I spoke to you all about nickname, this point. Okay, so when I talk about nickname here, @Basin Kanwaljit. So in nickname namge enagate, it also makes our page looks nice. Also it is a shortcut to search for people. So nange ivaga ivrdu page na hudukbekandre ನಾನು just search ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು @Basin Kanwaljit ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. And ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ನೀವು nickname ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ whatever you have in your mind you can put. If someone already has that name, then nimge bandu Facebook nalli it will give you options on choosing name, or you can change your name. Now email ID create ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಹಂಗೆತೇನೆ ಆಗೋದು. We create so many IDs, so whichever is already there we don't get it, then we get updates. Okay, choose from this or try something else anta. Then you can keep trying and you can find out your nickname and you can keep it here. And this is the cover page. So cover page na nodidaga as an outsider how it looks, I don't know that it is one of the conference antalla nange gottagta illa. ಇವ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ಕವಲ್ಜೀತ್ ಬಸೇನ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನನ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಕವಲ್ಜೀತ್ ಕೌರ್ ಬಸೇನ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಫಾರಿನರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಮೇಲೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕಂಪನಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಕೈನಲ್ಲಿ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಬೊಕ್ಕೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಸಮ್ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ಶಿ ಇಸ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ರೆಕಗ್ನೈಸ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್. ಆಲ್ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫೋಟೋ ಲುಕ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ they are like a top management or some directorial role ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋರು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ನನ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸಮ್ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ I can see these confettis. So it is some award or something that she is getting. So she is a business entrepreneur. She is, a person who can really transform people, because she is also growing by getting different awards anta namge feel agutte. And this is the call to action button. So if you look at the call to action button, this one, message me. So the minute I see her page and I just click on this message me, it takes me to the, Facebook Messenger. I can send her a message saying, hi, I really liked your page. I want to, interact with you or contact you. And then she will start messaging me, and then it goes to the next level. So this is how it is. And cover picture bandaga, you can put slideshows, like, you can, as someone is looking at your cover picture, 2-3 photos slideshow agi ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. I can also put a small video here and things like that. Okay, let me see, there are some questions. Okay, Kanaka Lakshmi has a question. Let me read this question to you all. Okay, for brand partners, how to start with Facebook page? Because we would not have attended any meetings or got any awards. If we mention as grooming, then we have to upload the products we use, and we recommend in such case, we have to upload Oriflame products. Yes, of course, if you're doing business for Oriflame, you have to upload Oriflame products only, Kanaka Lakshmi. So, ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, as and when every month you're buying your parcels, right? You can use those products and make some videos about it. You can do some unboxing videos. Catalogs nalliro new launch products na ನೀವು videos anta ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Not a problem at all. idnalli ನೀವು leader ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆನೆ ನೀವು Facebook page open ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. Even as a newcomer, maybe you can give a testimony about a product by using the product. So ನಿಮ್ದು personal use ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ products ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಅದನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀವು videos ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So always your videos should have content. Don't try to sell. Don't say, okay, ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ಈ ನೇಲ್ ಪಾಲಿಶ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, Oriflame ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಈ ನೇಲ್ ಪಾಲಿಶ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ. As I told you, if you are trying to sell, it will not attract people. It is about how you tell things in a different way. Maybe ನೀವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂತು, you just stop there. You're not going to tell them contact me or buy from me. ಆ ತರ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ನ ನೀವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. You have to attract them with the content of your video. ಜನ ಬಂದು ಏನಿದೆ ಇದ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಒನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಸೀನ್ ಅ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆಫ್ ಅನದರ್ ಲೀಡರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ನಾರ್ತ್. ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅವರು ಒಂದು 5-6 ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಬಟ್ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ನಾಟ್ ಆನ್ ಅ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ಅವ್ರು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಹೋಲಿ ಟೈಮ್, ಸೊ ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಹೋಲಿ ಆಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಸೊ ನನ್ನ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ನನ್ನ ಹೇರ್ ನ ನಾನು ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ adnalli definite agi light chemicals will definite, okay, let me say in English, okay, so light chemicals will be there in the colors, right? So when you play with colors, so for the festival I am getting ready to go. So what I am doing is I am applying Oriflame coconut oil for my hair, so that even if the colors stick to my hair, when I wash it, it will just come out immediately, as well as it will work as a protection for my hair. And then she says I am applying my moisturizing cream, so that there is no direct contact for the colors on my skin. And then I'm using tender care. So especially namdu kivi atra, ear portion is there, right? So if your colors goes there, it doesn't comes out for 2-3 days even after regular wash. So it sticks there. So I'm going to apply tender care on all the edges of my face and my ears and my neck, so that even if colors go, once I wash or once I clean them with wet wipes, it comes out easily. And then she says, I'm going to come back and apply a night, hydrating face mask, because after playing, definitely we will have some kind of effects because of colors. My skin might get dry. I might have loss of moisture. So I'm just going to come and put this face back and be normal. So, she never says, if you all want this product, come and contact me. The content is just that she shows the product, she's applying it on her skin and doing the video. So that kind of content you need to start using if you want to use about products and, grooming. So I think Prachi, your question also something relating to Kanaka Lakshmi's question. So I think I've answered this. So the brand partners house to start with Facebook page, because we could not have attended any meetings or any awards. Absolutely no problem. You can start creating your, you can start making your photos. So you can put a photo of, some product. You can put a motivational photo. You can put a photo, you can create a nice content in Canva and you can use it as a cover picture. Okay, like those things, something relating to your brand. Okay, like that. So I have a question from Sumitra. Is it necessary to have a separate Facebook platform for business apart from your Facebook page? Yes, Sumitra, because what will happen is only with your personal Facebook profile, you will be able to interact with people, and maybe you can also do some kind of posting on Facebook page. But later tomorrow, if you want to run your Facebook ads or, advertisements to generate leads, you definitely need to have a Facebook page. So I've answered all the questions. So now let's look into the other part. Okay, so this is another one. This appears, this is your about section. You remember I told you all starting nalli ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 2 ನಿಮಿಷದ ಕೆಲಸ. ಬಟ್ ಅದ್ನಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ನ ನೀವು ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ನೀವು ಪೇಜ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್, ಸೊ ಪೇಜ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಪೇಜ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ, ಆರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಪುಟ್ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಯೋರ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಇನ್ Oriflame, that date you can put as your page information, your personal interest, so that people can connect with you. So she's updated her personal interest. Contact details, very important. ಫೋನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದ್ರೆ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಯು. ಅಂಡ್ ನಿಮ್ದು ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಮೆಸೆಂಜರ್ದು ಆಟೋಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. If you have a website, you can add your website link. If you have your email account, you can put your email ID there. If you are there in Instagram accounts, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಹೋದ ತಕ್ಷಣನೇ if they want to see anything relating to you, they just click on this, and imagine you have a website and it clicks here. So it takes you to their website and you get a lot of confidence on that person. And here also in the about section, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು Oriflame ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. You remember in your intro, in your Facebook profile, I told you don't mention anything about Oriflame because that is something about you as a person. But here it is about business. So here you can mention about Oriflame as well as what kind of person you are and what you are interested in doing through this page. And we also have this story. Okay, if you look at the story, whoever has the updated Facebook version, this portion will not be there. But I think many of you all still have the older version. So older version nalli nimge story barutte. Illi kuda nimdu ಒಂದು good photo na ನೀವು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, something relating to your brand, and again give a write up about yourself and fill your biography. Biography nalli completely ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆ details ಬಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so you have to write as a person. So Kavaljeet ಅವ್ರು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು 19 years of successful journey with Oriflame, ಒಂದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ನನ್ನನ್ನ ಯಾವ ತರ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. 25 years ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಂಟ್ರೀಸ್, 21 countries, 43 cities ಗೆ ನಾನು ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಆಗಿ. ಯಾವ ತರ ನನ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಡ್ರೀಮ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಸೊ ಆ ಕ್ಲಬ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, thousands of ladies ಲೈಫ್ ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. And also if you have any of your awards that is written, you can give. Otherwise, even as a new person, I can write something relating to the brand. So ನಾನು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಜನ ಹತ್ರ ಇರೋ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. So I don't have anything to say on what I've achieved till now. No problem. Write about what you want to do with this Facebook page, what you want to do with your brand. Write about your future. We are looking for people. We are looking in transforming lives, because I have already started to transform your life. And then you can keep updating it as and when you are achieving things, and you can put it there. So example, another Facebook page that I just added from Facebook yesterday. So if you see, I was talking to you all about the colors video, right? So it was our video. So we have a leader, Vinali. So if you look at Vinali Kodwani, or look at, this is the brand, beauty and lifestyle. So as I told you all, lot of people use lifestyle because lifestyle covers a lot of things. Lifestyle talks about money, it talks about beauty, it talks about luxury, it talks about flexibility, it talks about lot of things, traveling the world, everything. So illi look at this cover picture. So lot of people asked me, ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಏನು ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಫೋಟೋ ಹಾಕೋದು. ಸೊ ಇವ್ರದ್ದು ಕವರ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ, ಸೊ ಶಿ ಇಸ್ ಡನ್ ಅ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಅನಿಮೇಶನ್, ಸೊ Oriflame products, and you can see her standing here. So I think this everyone can do. So do it in your own way. You all will be able to do it in much more creative way than this. So this is a nice cover picture that talks about beauty. So look at her brand. Her brand is beauty. And what are these? Beauty products. products to take care of skin, product to take care of body, your feet and your hands. You have shower gels, face, serum, cosmetic, health. So you have, omega-3, you have SPC. So all these products that can give you beauty. And also if you look at the things, this is a nickname, this is a brand name, and some kinds of posting that she does. So in her about section, if you see, okay, I didn't show you all. Okay, in this about section, Kawaljit is written. Kawaljit is Oriflame India top 20 leaders, founder of Dreams On Club, and she is known for leadership and coaching skills, empowering people to lead and to succeed. So illi iವ್ರದ್ದೇನಿದೆ, to travel. So as I said, lifestyle ಹಾಕಿದಾರಲ್ವಾ, travel, beauty ಇದೆ, lifestyle, fashion, help homemakers, students, young moms, unemployed women all over India to identify and fulfill their dreams through my online initiatives, Ambitious Women Tribe. So that is our club's name. And then you post later about income, you post about whatever. So posting, I'm not going now because we will talk about it a little later. So this is the page you need to create, and the contents that you need to put in your Facebook page and your profile. So just let me go live and let me show a few things. Can you all see my screen? Have I shared my screen? Oh, okay, I've not shared. 1 minute. Okay. So can you all see my screen? Yes. So just let me go to Kalpana Mallya's, page. Kalpana, I'm unmuting you now. Can you just tell me what is your name on, what's your Facebook page name? Oh, I think I got it here. Kalpana, you can unmute yourself. This is the one, right, Kalpana? Kalpana Mallya, Women Entrepreneur, Beauty Skill Coach. Yes, this is Kalpana's Facebook page. Okay, so let's see what Kalpana's put. So let's look at, I think all of you all can see, I'm just giving you all a live demo. So if you look at Kalpana's, page and her profile, so she has a profile groomed. She's really set her hair really well, standing in style. In fact, very nice, Kalpana. And she's also put, explore the unexplored. Don't listen to what they say. Go and see. Very, very true, right? So different people ನಮ್ಗೆ different things ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಪ್ಯಾಂಡಮಿಕ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿನ್ಗೆ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಬೇಕಿದ್ಯಾ, ನಿನ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಿದ್ಯಾ, ಕ್ಯಾಟಲಾಗ್ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆ ತೋರಿಸಿ ನೀನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ, ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿನ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೆ, ನಿನ್ಗೆ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. People will say a lot of things, right? So I'm just giving you random examples. We have many more things people say, but what we have to do, don't listen to them, just go and try ಮಾಡೋದ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಆಗತ್ತಾ? No, what if you can be successful? A very nice quote that is put by Kalpana. She's also put her name, she's put a photo. Okay, so let's see what's Kalpana's brand. So Kalpana is Kalpana Mallya, Women Entrepreneur and Beauty Skill Coach. Put a very nice cover picture. So cover picture nal kuda nodidre, she has a certificate, she has a trophy in her hand, a flower bouquet, and we three are there recognizing her. So again, it's like, it says very clearly, she is a leader. And in there kuda nodidre, it's not seen completely, but something, talking about some recognition, top 1 anta, you can see part portion of her name. But she is on stage receiving, and ಇಲ್ಲಿ backside nalli out the photo. So it talks about some recognition that she's got, and she's filled it like this. So this is how you need to do your Facebook page. You need to set your Facebook page. Contact details nalli nimge bandre Kalpana avurdu number ide illi, but lot of other things also need to be updated. So now after this training, so you can see here, so you have 539 people who likes her page, 548 people who are following her. So ಅವ್ರು ಏನೇನ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಅವರು ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಕಲ್ಪನಾ, ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು why your brand name is Women Entrepreneur and Business Beauty Skill Coach? what you want to tell people. So just for your team to understand, I'm asking you. Kalpana, I've unmuted you now again.
Can you hear me?
Yes, Kalpana, we can hear you now.
It's very important to know, for people to know what you're doing and what work you're doing is represented there. So when I say women entrepreneur, that we are giving women empowerment, we are giving earning opportunity, we are making them powerful with personality development and so many other learning skills in Oriflame by doing Oriflame business as brand partners. And also beauty skills coach, because we learn, we are very much beauticians we are, because we know everything about beauty, skincare, everything about related to beauty, and we can transform a person by using the wonderful Oriflame products. And because we have learned, we can about Oriflame specializes in skincare, so I definitely feel that this is we learn a lot about beauty, and that's why I put beauty skills coach. I myself have a YouTube channel called Stay Young, Stay Beautiful, because with world-class products, beautiful. That's why I put this powerful. And also like what business we are doing and related to beauty. That's what it says. Yes, Jenny?
Yes, Kalpana, thank you so much. No, I'm just asking you to explain so that people can understand what this brand is about. So very good. So yes, it talks about women entrepreneurs. So women empower madek, women lifestyle change madek, and also it talks about beauty, that is our beautiful products that we have. Thank you so much, Kalpana.
Yes. Yes.
So like this, you have to have your page. So let me see if I can take you to my page. Yes. So I'm just showing you all my page as well. So 1 minute. Yes. So if you look at this, another example just for your understanding so that it will be easy for you all. So even I've put my full name. Okay. So people know me as Jenny, but my name is Jonita Mary. So I've put my name and I am here as a business guide. Okay. So guiding people in business. So I've put my brand name as business guide, kept it very, very simple. And then if you look, this is the nickname that I've used, Jenny Biz Guide. So people know me as Jenny, and business short form is Biz. I've put Jenny Biz Guide. And if you look at my profile pic, I've put a photo with, well grooming and a plain background where I can look nice. And a lot of people asked me a question about, we've not received awards. So same with me as well. So if you look at mine, since I am not a brand partner, we are not there always on the stage. Okay. So here what I've done, I am talking here about business, where you can transform your life and you can live life your own way. So I've put here, become an entrepreneur your way. So I've created a slide from Canva. I have put a picture where, a woman driving. So that says you can be independent. If you want to travel, if you love to travel, you can, be part of this. You can do a digital business, or if you can, manage your flexible business from home. So I'm just highlighting with these 3 pictures. And I say, become an entrepreneur your way. And then if you look at my about section, so I've put it very clearly. So category comes as an entrepreneur. I have my name. I've put the date. I've joined the sales department as my page information start date. I've put my contact details. I've put my, messenger, shortcut here, my email ID, my Instagram account. And also in my about section, I've also written about me saying, hi, I'm Jonita, a loving mom and a business coach. associated with a, associated as a business coach with a wonderful company that has a different view on beauty and business, a company that believes in as a mission to fulfill dreams. So I've put this. And if you look at my other about section, so here, I don't have a team. So you all remember the slide where Kavaljeet had her entire networks team. So I don't have anything like that. So I am talking, I've put a picture that can say that, I'm a guide, I'm, a trainer, or, a speaker. So I have a picture which is groomed well with my, on a stage presence. And I've also written my journey from a regular employee to a passionate business coach. So here I have the details. So I have given a write-up about myself saying, I joined a cosmetic company and I've graduated from Mount Carmel College. So this company is a Swedish company, talks about, products. And then I joined as a customer service agent. Later, I, realized interacting with people. So eventually moved into sales and consulting team with the same organization. And now I'm into, a new role as a sales coach here. So what we do here, we do, our objective is to empower people, empower every individual who's associated with us, people who can take care of their health, want to be successful, a personal welfare for every individual. I feel motivated to work here, all those things. So it is your personal thing. So just write about what you want to do. Okay. So here I have also written, my passion is acquired skill is in personal, interpersonal relationship that helped me to excel in my role in achieving several goals, milestones, awards, commemoration. So all those things. So you love to travel, you love to earn money. So then it's like I've put something relating to me, because here I am a business coach here. So I've put something relating to what I am doing here. So now, any questions? Any questions we can take up? So I think y'all must be having a, a good idea about, creating Facebook page now, the content that goes inside that, the kind of photos y'all need to put. So I'm not going to ask y'all to do any kind of posting as of now. We want everyone to have a updated Facebook profile and a updated Facebook page. Lot of people might be having a Facebook page, but your about section will not be updated in that. So that y'all need to update. So the task that comes in for y'all for this week is, so please take a picture of this. So this is the task for your present week. So all attendees should create their Facebook page and complete all the details in it. And after completing all the details in it, all the attendees should share your Facebook page link to your respected leaders, and we will collect it from all the leaders, or y'all can put it in the group as well. So we have the Digital Galaxy group, right? You can put it in the group as well once creating your link, or you can send it to your leader and we will take the details from that. And we will check your page, Facebook page, if it is updated and what kind of page you all have created. So don't think that, we are cross-checking. We will just see if, everything is correct, and we will definitely give you all good as well as feedbacks to improve yourself. And if you all are not completing the task, then by the next weekend, we will be removing people who are not completing the task. So we are giving you all 1 week's time to attend, you all have attended now and you all have taken the training. Just spend about 1 hour's time. So 1 hour time spend ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ Facebook profile na create ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, page na ನೀವು create ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, good photos ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀವು finalize ಮಾಡಿ, by Saturday you can complete your task. So this is the task for your first week. Make the changes in your Facebook profile as well, because we've taught you all that. So now create your page and update your things and share us your link. So this is the only thing that we want you all to do in your Galaxy of Stars, a digital group nalli. Jayanti, yes, we know that a lot of things are happening online. We are definitely working on that, and that will be controlled. So don't worry about that. If you become a digital leader, we will not be interested in selling at all. We will be interested in growing our group. And yes, I also have a message from few leaders. Yes, to use your content, to edit your content in your Facebook page and all, preferably if you all have a laptop, you all can use it, because that really helps you all to do things faster and better. So if you all have a laptop, maybe, you know, family members hatra yaratra adru laptop idre, husbands hatra la makkala hatra, just use it for half an hour, 1 hour to you know, update your Facebook page, because you all can see a better view of your page as well as content na hakkoloke nimge tumbane help agutte. Okay, so I have few people asking me doubts on task. So Resha, first task bandu Facebook page na create madodu. So ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಜನ Facebook page na create ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತದ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ತಕ್ಕಂಗೆ ನೀವು ಅಬೌಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ನ ನೀವು ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ನಿಮ್ದು ಬಯೋಗ್ರಫಿ ಬರ್ತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ನಿಮ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೀವು ಬರೆಯೋದು, ಫೋಟೋಸ್ ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹಾಕೋದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಂಡ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಫೇಸ್ಬುಕ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ ನ ಬಂದು ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ ಲೀಡರ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ನೀವು ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಸೇಮ್ ಗ್ಯಾಲಕ್ಸಿ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಸ್ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಹಾಕಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು, even for people who are already started with ads and doing lot of things, no problem. Send your link to your respective leaders, or you can put it in the group as well. Instead of putting phone number, is there any option? Nimge phone numbers hakidre nimge leads easy ag barutte. Any other option andre, you can put your you know, email ID or you know, your Instagram account, but it is better for people to contact you through your phone number. It's optional, but still it is your choice. Okay, so here we come to the end of our session. So Kalpana, closing words from your side, please. So hope this training would have been useful. Nimge useful agiratte anta, you know, I feel it will really help you all, especially for people who are really about to start your journey with digital. And if you all have any questions also, don't hesitate to ask. You all can ask us, or even in the group you all can, you know, message and ask. So please keep this group for digital related things. So maybe there is no need to post any kind of offers or, you know, any forwards or anything in this. Let's keep it for any kind of interaction related to digital. Anything relating to digital is absolutely fine. So yes, Kalpana, I've unmuted you.
Jenny, it was a wonderful training. And I'm sure people like me in our business page. And we can keep changing also certain parameters as and when we achieve something, or some new pictures are there. So a lot of things I learned. So life is a learning experience. It is beautifully said, and explanation was so crisp, so clear. So that's why I think the questions were less. I would like to say that let's keep this training webinar only for training, and not ask irrelevant questions other than what we are learning in digital, right? Other things you can do it later. So everybody put in your efforts this week and upgrade your, whoever are having a Facebook business page, please upgrade it, and we'll all come back for you. And this is the first training, and we are looking definitely to many more trainings like this, where we can have the expertise to have digital training. Great, Jenny. Thank you so much. And thank you everybody for joining. And any of you want to join some more people, you can join, but people should be interested. Please talk to them and then may join them in their group. Okay. Thank you and have a great weekend. Happy month end.
Thank you so much, Kalpana. And thank you so much for each and everyone who's taken time and joined in this webinar. So all the very best. Don't forget your task, creating your Facebook page, updating your about section completely, and sending us the link. So preferably send the link to your respective leaders and we can collect it from them. Okay. So thank you so much, and see you all in the next webinar. Okay.
Thank you so much, Jenny.
Thank you.
So much.
Thanks, Kalpana.